The Metex Manufacturing Company was originally named Kentile Flooring when it was founded in 1898. Kentile survived for almost 100 years as a flooring manufacturer, producing vinyl, cork, rubber, and other types of tiles and flooring material. During its reign, Kentile incorporated asbestos into its tiles, which were sold in both commercial and residential settings. The company's employees were at risk of exposure to asbestos during the manufacturing process, while homeowners could have been exposed if they chose to purchase and install Kentile tiles themselves. Kentile advertised that its products were easy to install and clean up, making them very popular. The removal or repair of the tiles would also put someone at risk of inhaling asbestos fibers that could potentially lead to health concerns. Tilers or workers in the construction industry are among those who may have encountered the company's products. Kentile products contained asbestos until the early 1980s. The company originally filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 1992 to handle the financial burden of asbestos litigation. Metex Manufacturing Company arose from that original bankruptcy filing and functioned as a flooring manufacturer from 1998 until it also filed for bankruptcy in 2012. A bankruptcy trust, the Metex Asbestos PI Trust, opened in 2015 and began accepting claims. In 2022, 3,047 claims were filed with the trust according to its annual report. The report also details that a little over $6 million was paid to claimants in 2022, bringing the total amount paid by the trust since it was established to over $121 million. The current payment percentage for the trust is 7.25%, meaning that if your injury meets the criteria for compensation, you'll receive 7.25% of the designated amount for your injury. We have a copy of the scheduled payment values on the table here. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.